What's up, guys? It's Jake Pride, the car guy, here with JC Lewis Ford Car Guys YouTube channel, and we've got a brand new 2022 F350 LARIAT truck, and this is a special truck custom ordered with the TREMOR package and with the blackout appearance package. Super cool options available from Ford, and we've got them present on the lot today. Let's jump into it. That blackout appearance package we were talking about gets us this nice big Super Duty badge with the black background. We've got our gloss black front grille, front fascia, as well as matte black heavy duty steel tow hooks. We've got our newly redesigned LED front headlight assembly, as well as fog lights. And this TREMOR package got us the Wrangler Goodyear Duratrack tires in the 35-inch configuration. Super nice. You also see our blackout LARIAT F350 badge there and blacked out PowerStroke turbo diesel badging. Super nice, really sets the truck off. And people ask all the time, Jake, why do we have these perforations in your running boards here on these TREMOR trucks? That's because this is an off-road package, and when you're getting off-road, you might have sand, dirt, gravel, dust, whatever it is, getting up over your running boards. It'll go right through those perforations. This truck does have DEF fluid, as well as, of course, your diesel input there. And we've got this blackout appearance package giving us these nice bigger gloss black wheel housings and bigger rims in the matte black color. This truck is equipped with remote start, and we've also got some super nice features in the bed here, like the Ford Tough Bed Liner, spray in, lets water get right through, won't leave it sitting in your trunk. You've also got the tailgate step right here. Super sturdy, super handy from Ford. Makes it a lot easier at getting into these bigger trucks here. We've also got LEDs activated both from the bed as well as in the cab. We'll show you that here. And we've also got our two different connectors, because this is optioned out with the fifth wheel prep package. You'll also see those drill points there in the bed, as well as your tie down points with that are standard with the F350. You'll see your backup camera there. We'll show you what that does, and it's actually got side cameras and a front camera as well, giving you that 360 top-down view, front views, back views, whatever you want to view, do it with Ford. We're going to cold start the truck now and let me know how it sounds. There is a lot to talk about on the interior of this 2022 F350 LARIAT. From the door inserts that have been newly redesigned, we got our dual Super Duty glove box that we're familiar with from our other Super Duties. And this truck was outfitted with your black appearance package, giving us these nice black leather seats with the big console from Ford. We've also got the sliding quad cup hole option, as well as a little secret Easter egg hiding spot for your key, so that you can use that keyless door entry and just leave your key here. Don't have to worry about keeping up with it. Push of the console right here will shift this back and lock it into place, and you've got storage as well as a USB and USB-C. We've got dual climate control equipped on our truck today, as well as the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which actually turns this wheel into the physical steering wheel when you have a trailer hooked up properly. And you've got a trailer brake controller, integrated trailer brake controller with more and less gain as an option, as well as the locking rear differential with 4 high, 4 low, and 2-wheel drive. And we've got LEDs activated on the side of each mirror, as well as automatic headlights, power folding mirrors, and power extending mirrors. So you see that there. Press of a button will both fold in the mirrors and fold out the mirrors. And speaking of the mirrors, we've got blind spot as well as lane keeping optioned out on this truck, making it a super safe, super capable truck. And now as we go to the screen here, your console screen, we've got navigation as well as the new Sync 4 technology package. And the thing to remember about this Sync 4 technology is that we can view two different options basically at once. So I can be looking at my bed camera, looking at that nice red Mustang behind us, while I'm also viewing our navigation. I can go to audio, climate controls, whatever it is you want to do, you've got access to more stuff with your Sync 4 technology. We also see this nice kind of gloss black and chrome finish that we got on our black appearance package. You've got your charge points with Ford. We also are able to activate the 360 top-down view as well as a front view when we're in park or when we're in drive with the new F350. And you've got a multitude of camera angles there, from the trisected fisheye lens, your standard front views, your top-down 360 views, your bed views, and they've even got trailer set up so that you can view your trailer setup as you have it configured. So guys, I think this is an amazing truck. I think it's the one you should buy if you're looking to tow something but still have that luxury, beautiful off-road truck feel. And I think you should go ahead and subscribe to the Car Guys YouTube channel, because we've got some of the best automotive content coming out all year long. We're making it happen. Jake Fry, the Car Guy, Walker Paul Tetters. Send us an email at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com for all inquiries, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks.